everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Guys, today the topic that I'm going to be discussing about is a pretty serious one, and the thought came to me from one of my clients who had come to me for counseling, and when she was talking on this to me, I realized that how important it is to be actually making a video and putting it across. We always think that, when we are with our kids around and when we have an argument with our spouse, sometimes I've seen a lot of them that we don't control, we don't hesitate, we don't think at all, before taking up on that fight, be it however, small the reason or big the reason can be. My dear parents, please understand, so this lady who comes to me is a lady of 38-40 years old, and her problem is that her husband is a very nice man, extremely loving and everything that a woman could ask for. But still her issue is that she ends up fighting with him. She always ends up shouting at him, talking to him very badly, even on the smallest of the things that happens, and she just bursts out. And when we were doing those counseling sessions and when we went deeper into it, I realized that this is something that she has caught up from her childhood, from her mother, from her parents. Then she told me she has grown up right from the age of 3. All that she remembers is that, her mother always being just the same way that she is today with her husband, with her dad. She had always been, arguing, fighting, shouting. She has grown up seeing only that between their parents. So today it is so much, so somewhere as a child, if you have to go to see by child psychology, my dear parents, the child, see when we do, kids look up to us, right? So whatever we do is right. So from the age of 3 or 4, if you've seen your parents, your mother only shouting at your dad, you think that's the right thing that she's doing because nobody spoke up about it. Nobody ever said that it was wrong because she herself was doing wrong. So for her, that became that wrong of which is actually a wrong became right for her, and that's what she's practicing now. Today, after even a lot of turmoil, and she tries hard not to be the way she is, but it is so strongly imbibed in her, and because she's grown up seeing that all through her childhood journey, it's become very difficult for her to detach herself from that behavior. Please consider this as a horror story and as a thing that you should never let your kids go through such a trauma. I'm sure none of us would want our kids, our daughters or our, sons to grow up like that, right? Neither would you want your son to behave in the opposite way. In this case, it's a mother, and I've seen a lot of husbands also behave the same way with the wife. But please understand, my dear parents, if you have any issues to be discussed, to be spoken, make sure that you do with just the two of you, not with the kids around. Because as kids, they don't understand what your issues are. They need not understand. Why should they go through what both of you are running into? So please give it a thought. Please be extremely sensitive about it. And next time, even if you are having an argument, make sure that the kids are not there around you. Please give it a try and let me know how it worked. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying bye.